How do I promote my videos on YouTube? Promoting your videos on YouTube can help you reach a wider audience and get more views, likes, and subscribers. Here are some tips on how to promote your videos on YouTube. 1. Optimize your video for search. Use relevant keywords in your video title, description, and tags to help YouTube understand the content of your video and show it to the right audience. 2. Share on social media. Share your video on your social media accounts like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and LinkedIn to reach your existing followers and encourage them to watch your video. 3. Collaborate with other YouTubers. Collaborating with other YouTubers can help you tap into their audience and reach new viewers. You can collaborate by making a video together, mentioning each other in your videos, or promoting each other's channels. 4. Engage with your audience. Respond to comments, ask for feedback, and encourage your viewers to share your video with their friends and family. 5. Run ads. You can run ads on YouTube to promote your videos to a wider audience. YouTube offers different types of ads, including in-stream ads, discovery ads, and bumper ads. 6. Use YouTube Analytics. Use YouTube Analytics to track your video's performance and learn more about your audience. This will help you make better videos and promote them to the right people. Optimize your video for search. To optimize your video for search on YouTube, you should focus on the following elements. 1. Video title. Choose a title that accurately describes your video and includes relevant keywords that people might search for. Make sure your title is attention-grabbing and compelling to encourage viewers to click on it. 2. Video description. Write a detailed and informative description that explains what your video is about. Include relevant keywords and provide context for your video to help YouTube understand the content of your video. 3. Tags. Use relevant and specific tags that describe the content of your video. This will help YouTube categorize your video and show it to the right audience. 4. Thumbnail. Create an eye-catching thumbnail that accurately represents your video and makes people want to click on it. 5. Closed captions. Adding closed captions to your video can help improve your video's search ranking and make it more accessible to a wider audience. 6. Video transcript. Including a transcript of your video in the description can help search engines understand the content of your video and improve its search ranking. By optimizing these elements, you can improve your video's search visibility and increase the likelihood of it being discovered by a wider audience. Share on social media. Sharing your YouTube videos on social media is an effective way to promote your channel and reach a wider audience. Here are some tips for sharing your videos on social media. 1. Choose the right platform. Consider which social media platforms are most relevant to your audience and where you have the most engagement. Share your videos on platforms like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, LinkedIn, and TikTok. 2. Write a compelling caption. Write a short, attention-grabbing caption that describes your video and encourages people to watch it. Use relevant hashtags to increase the reach of your post. 3. Use an eye-catching thumbnail. Make sure to use an eye-catching thumbnail that accurately represents your video and makes people want to click on it. 4. Share at the right time. Consider the best time to share your video based on your audience's demographics and behavior. You can use social media analytics tools to identify the best times to post. 5. Engage with your audience. Respond to comments and feedback on your social media posts, and encourage your viewers to share your video with their friends and family. 6. Leverage social media ads. Consider using social media ads to promote your YouTube videos to a wider audience. You can target specific demographics and interests to reach the right audience. Collaborate with other YouTubers. Collaborating with other YouTubers is a great way to grow your channel and reach new viewers. Here are some tips for collaborating with other YouTubers. 1. Choose the right partner. Look for YouTubers who have a similar audience and content niche as yours. Reach out to them and suggest a collaboration idea. 2. Plan your collaboration. Plan your collaboration in advance and decide on the format and theme of the video. Make sure to discuss the logistics, such as filming location, date, and time. 3. Promote each other's channels. Mention each other's channels in your videos and include links to their channel in your video description. This will help your viewers discover their channel and vice versa. 4. Be creative. Come up with a unique and creative idea for your collaboration that will entertain and engage your audience. This will help make your video stand out and attract more views. 5. Follow up. After the collaboration, follow up with your partner and thank them for collaborating with you. Share the video on your social media channels and encourage your viewers to check it out. Engage with your audience. Engaging with your audience is a crucial part of building a successful YouTube channel. Here are some tips for engaging with your audience. 1. Respond to comments. Respond to comments on your videos and show your viewers that you value their feedback. This will encourage more comments and engagement on your videos. 2. Ask for feedback. Ask your viewers for feedback and suggestions on your videos. This will help you improve your content and make it more engaging for your audience. 3. Host Q&A sessions. Host Q&A sessions on your channel and answer your viewers' questions. This will help you build a stronger connection with your audience and show them that you value their input. 4. Run contests and giveaways. Run contests and giveaways on your channel to encourage engagement and reward your viewers. This will help attract new viewers and retain existing ones. 5. Use polls and surveys. Use polls and surveys on your channel to gather feedback and opinions from your audience. This will help you make better content and keep your audience engaged. 6. Encourage sharing. Encourage your viewers to share your videos with their friends and family. This will help you reach a wider audience and attract more views and subscribers. Run ads. Running ads on YouTube is a great way to promote your videos and reach a wider audience. Here are some tips for running ads on YouTube. 1. Set a budget. Determine how much you're willing to spend on ads and set a budget. This will help you avoid overspending and ensure that you're getting the best ROI on your ad spend. 2. Choose your ad format. YouTube offers a variety of ad formats, including skippable ads, non-skippable ads, and bumper ads. Choose the ad format that best suits your campaign goals and target audience. 3. Target your audience. Use targeting options to reach the right audience for your ad. You can target by demographics, interests, behaviors, and more. 4. Use engaging ad creative. Create compelling and attention-grabbing ad creative that will encourage viewers to click on your ad and watch your video. 5. Monitor your results. Monitor your ad campaign results and adjust your strategy as needed. This will help you optimize your ad performance and get the most out of your ad spend. 6. Leverage YouTube's advertising tools. YouTube offers a range of advertising tools, including YouTube Analytics and Google Ads, to help you optimize your ad campaigns and reach your target audience. Use YouTube Analytics. Using YouTube Analytics is an essential part of growing your channel and optimizing your video content. Here are some tips for using YouTube Analytics effectively. 1. Monitor your audience retention. Audience retention shows how long viewers are watching your videos. Use this data to identify which parts of your videos are keeping viewers engaged and which parts are causing them to drop off. 2. Track your traffic sources. Traffic sources show where your views are coming from, such as search results, suggested videos, or external websites. Use this data to identify which sources are driving the most traffic to your channel. 3. Analyze your engagement metrics. Engagement metrics, such as likes, comments, and shares, show how viewers are interacting with your content. Use this data to identify which videos are resonating with your audience and which ones need improvement. 4. Identify your top-performing videos. Use YouTube Analytics to identify your top-performing videos in terms of views, engagement, and retention. Use this data to replicate the elements of those videos that are driving success in future videos. 5. Adjust your content strategy. Use the insights from YouTube Analytics to adjust your content strategy and create videos that are tailored to your audience's preferences and interests. By implementing these strategies, you can increase the visibility of your videos on YouTube and grow your channel.